Good day to you. Today I want to talk about trustee nominations submitted to the body corporate by email. We all know that Prescribed Management Rule 7 provides firstly that a member can nominate anybody as a trustee, and secondly that the nomination must be written with consent of the nominee and delivered to the body corporate at least 48 hours before the start of the annual general meeting. Very often people ask, can that nomination of a prospective trustee, candidate trustee, be sent in by email? And the answer is usually yes, of course. The Electronic Communications and Transactions Act 25 of 2002 provides that a requirement in law that a document or information must be in writing is met if the document or information is in the form of a data message and accessible in a manner usable for subsequent reference. So email sounds fine, but there are three other issues that you must think about. Firstly, a nomination and acceptance form must be substantially in accordance with the Form C prescribed under the Sectional Title Schemes Management Act. That form must be completed and attached to the data message, which is in fact the email. Secondly, the form must also have been signed, both by the owner and by the proxy. And the third is that the trustees must have taken a minuted resolution designating the email address to which that nomination and acceptance form is sent as an alternate body corporate service address in terms of Prescribed Management Rule 4.2. Otherwise, delivery to that email address is not considered to be delivery to the body corporate under Prescribed Management Rule 7.2. So, before you submit a nomination for a trustee by email, or accept one that is delivered in this fashion, check firstly that it's in due form and properly completed, signed by both parties. Also check the minute book of the body corporate to confirm that the email address to which the form is sent is one that the trustees have designated as an alternate body corporate service address. Thank you for joining me.